10 unbelievable facts about rats that will shock you. Did you know that the average rat can fit through an opening the size of a quarter? Or that in 1953, rats caused the collapse of an entire apartment building in Philadelphia? If you didn't, then you need to read these 10 unbelievable facts about rats and their abilities. Not only will they fascinate you, but they'll also help you understand how vital they are to our ecosystem. Number 1. A rat can die while sleeping. They can go into a deep sleep, which is called REM sleep, and they can stay in that state for up to 18 hours. This is because they don't have a strong heartbeat and breathing while sleeping. They wake up every now and then, but just enough to take a breath or two so they don't die of suffocation. Number 2. A baby rat is called a kitten. 2. A baby rat is called a kitten. 3. There are nearly 200 recognized species of rats, all belonging to the superfamily Neuroidea, a family in the order Rodentia which includes mice and squirrels. 4. The only way to get rid of rats is to kill them all in an area, since they will always find new ways to sneak into your home if you don't exterminate them completely. Number 3. There are 32 different species of rats. It can be difficult to tell the different species apart, but all rats have a number of distinguishing characteristics that make it possible to identify them. One way is by looking at their teeth. They only have 4 incisors on each side of their mouth. Another way is by observing the tail, which has scales and can be either long or short depending on the species. The most common types are the Norway rat, the one you will find in your home, roof rat, brown rat, and black rat. Number 4. Rats do not throw up. Rats do not throw up because they have a much shorter esophagus than humans. If it is too long, then the rat's food can go back into its lungs and kill it. However, this means that if the rat eats something poisonous, there is a chance that it will not regurgitate the poison to save itself. Number 5. The flea did not cause the Black Death in Europe. The flea did not cause the Black Death in Europe. It was the plague Bacillus Yersinia pestis and rats, not fleas, that spread the disease. Number 6. 13% of rodents are rats. It's important to know that rats are not just found in barns and sewers, but also in attics, crawl spaces, and basements. They're experts at finding their way into the smallest of cracks in walls and floors. And since they'll eat just about anything, you need to take extra care when storing food or cleaning up after a meal. Number 7. Are you a rat lover or hater? Some people believe that rats are vermin and should be exterminated, while others see them as a necessary part of city life. If you're on the rat-loving side, here are some facts about these rodents. Asterisk rats can swim up to 2 hours without stopping for air. Asterisk the average rat can run up to 3 miles per hour. Asterisk male rats can grow to be 25% larger than female rats. Number 8. Lab rats are highly trained and socialized animals. Lab rats are highly trained and socialized animals. Lab rats have been bred for generations to be docile and less likely to bite. These traits make them perfect for animal testing. Animals used in the lab typically live in cages with many other rats of their own species, which is why they are so socialized with other rats. Number 9. In ancient Egypt, the sun god Ra was often depicted as having a human body with a rat head. In ancient Egyptians' mythology, the sun god Ra was often depicted as having a human body with a rat head. Ra was one of the most important gods in their pantheon and had many responsibilities and powers. He was first called Aten, but following the beliefs of Akhenaten, he became known as Amon-Ra or Amon-Ra. Number 10. Orange pet rats come from white lab rats who were selectively bred to look good and make great pets. This is the part of the rat population that most people know about. They're intelligent, social animals and come in a variety of colors. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, lab rats were selectively bred to produce a variety of markings, which were then sold as pets. The pet rat population was much larger than it is today because they are so popular, but there are still many white lab rats that are bred to be used in laboratory research.